The arrows are pointing on this direction, but to our surprise, add water into this glass. You will be surprised to see the arrows change their direction. The scientific reason for this experiment is light travel in a straight line. When the light passes through different mediums like glass, then water, then glass, then air, it changes the direction of the arrows. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself Natik Rana from Tulip. Today I am going to show the experiment air of oxygen space. We have a glass. We have the paper in. Now we'll put this glass in water. This is dry. And then take show we can see that the paper dry. Now when we tilt it a little we can see bubbles and wet in the water, and also the paper is wet. Now thank you, have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Jivika from class 3 Tulip and I'm doing an experiment on magical coin. The material required to do this experiment are a coin of any value, a transparent glass, and a glass filled with water. Place this transparent thus empty transparent glass on the coin, and the coin was already placed on the table. If you look through the sides, you can see the coin, but on adding water into the glass and look through the sides, the coin disappears. Thank you.
Sakshi Singh, and I am going to do flip the image activity for EV2. I am taking an empty transparent glass sheet with drawn arrows, a glass with water. Now you can see the arrows are pointing direction. Now I will pour some water. You can see now arrows have changed their direction. Reason: light travels in the straight lines and light passes through the surface and water of glass. Then it reaches to cross the air between the space and two image, and then it changes the direction of arrows. For this activity we will take transparent glass arrows on one sheet and one glass filled with water. After that, pour water into transparent glass. Now we will see the arrows. They turn their side because light travels in a straight line and it strikes the surface of the glass and it changes its side. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rana from class 3. Today I am showing you the experiment of magical coin. Put a coin on the table. Put the glass on the coin. The glass is filled with water. We cannot see the coin because the air present in the ring of the glass and the coin strike the light on the coin, we see the three images of coin. Thank you.
My name is Ridhima Siraj. I read in third Tulip. I took an empathy class. This is a coin I put in this mug. The coin is showing properly. I take an glass with the water. I fill with a water. Now the coin is not showing to you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shivi from Tulip. Today I am going to do science experiment. The name of science experiment is flip the image. In this experiment I have this transparent glass and other glass filled with water. On this sheet I have drawn two arrows. Now this transparent glass empty, no having water. You can see the arrows pointing on these directions. But do surprised when I poured the water in transparent glass, the arrows changed their direction. The reason for this, water, when light reaches the water inside it, it changed their direction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon. My name is Karthik Thakur. I will show you why pencil bands into the water. Please take an empty glass and another glass and fill with water. And take a sharp pencil and dip into the water. And you can see pencil bands into the water. Because reflection of light change direction of pencil. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Harleen Dhana from class 3 Tulip. Today I am going to show you an experiment on low and high atmospheric pressure. For this, we need a plate with a candle. On the top of it, let the candle Now put the water into the plate. Finally, put a glass above the candle. You will now see that due to low atmospheric pressure, the flame dies out. Due to this contraction, it pulls the water into the glass. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello ma'am, my name is Pavnendra from 3 Tulip. Is going to do an experiment magical coin, also known as a disappearing penny. The item used in this experiment are glass cup, silver coin, water. Let us put coin on the table. And then we are putting a glass cup on it. We see that we are able to see the coin from the side. But when we fill the glass cup with water, it seems to be disappeared from the sides. Why does it happen? The main reason behind it is reflection of light. Thank you.
Myself Kushal from the Tulip. I'm going to perform a magic show with coin and water. Please take the bowl and put the coin inside.
Start.
Now you cannot see the coin. Now putting the water inside the bowl. Now the coin is reappeared. This is the magic. Thank you.
My name is Aryan. I am here to share my science project. My science project is magical coin. Material is you take a tray, you choose any color, then you take a translation glass, then you take a steel glass filled of water, then you take a coin. Then you put the glass on the coin. See, we can see the coin with up and we see the coin sides also. But if we add water to it, look. Where is the coin gone? Because light. When the light comes from there, look. When the light comes from there, light travels. Light goes into the translation glass and the water. When the light touches to the coin, the light goes round to the coin, and the light is the exact example that the coin is not looking at the sides. Thank you for seeing my science project.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम लक्षिता है। मैं कक्षा तीसरी ट्यूलिप की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है फ्लिप द इमेज। इसके लिए मुझे एक शीट की जरूरत पड़ी जिसमें मैंने 2 एरोज बनाए, कांच के ग्लास की जरूरत पड़ी और पानी की जरूरत पड़ी। देखिए, अभी आपको कांच के ग्लास के अंदर से एरोज किस जगह दिखाई दे रही है। फिर जैसे ही मैं इसमें वाटर फिल कर दूंगी, तो एरोस उसकी उल्टी दिशा में दिखाई देंगी। ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि एयर से लाइट ग्लास में जाती है, ग्लास से वो वाटर में जाती है, वाटर से वो फिर से ग्लास में जाती है और वो एयर में चली जाती है। इसलिए आपको एरोस उसकी उल्टी दिशा में दिखाई दी। धन्यवाद।
I'm Swaranandal from 3rd Tulip. My experiment is about air pressure. Then first of all, I need a glass of water and piece of cardboard. Then put the cardboard and on the glass. And see. This is called air pressure. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present an experiment.
Start.
We need 2 transparent glass, filled water, and 2 lemon and salt. Now I will dip one of lemon in first glass. Other glass I will mix 2 spoon salt. Now I will dip lemon in it. As you can see, lemon since is first class, lemon floats in second class. The reason is lemon has higher density in first class, so it sinks. Lemon has lower density
In second
than salt in second class, so it floats. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to perform my science experiment. We need a coin, a transparent glass, and a glass filled with water. First step, keep the empty glass on the coin. You will see the coin. Now keep the glass on the coin and pour some water in the glass. Now you cannot see coin under the glass. Magic! Magic! This is due to bending of light as it travels through different medium like air, water, glass. Thank you, bye.
All of you, my name is Chaitanya. I am in class Tulip. Today I am presenting magical fountain. In this we will use a bottle or water. First we will make a hole in the bottle. Then we will fill water. You see, the water is not coming out. When we open a cap, the water is coming out. It is all about magical fountain. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Harshit and my class is 3 Tulip. My topic is magical coin. Let us start. This is coin, empty glass, and this glass is filled with water. First of all, empty glass on the coin. To see the outside, coin is appeared, but into the water glass the coin is disappeared. This is magical coin. Thank you.
Morning, my lecturer from class 3 Tulip. I am going to experiment on flip the image. Let's start. I have one transparent glass, one glass with filled water, and a sheet. I draw 2 arrows. This glass have no water, but when I added water in this glass, you find this the arrow changes the direction. Reason for this same is light travels in a straight line, so every time whenever light passes through a different media like glass, water, etc., changes their direction. Thank you.
My name is Arant. I read in class 3 Tulip. My topic is flip the image. हमारे पास जरूरी सामान है जैसे कि अब ट्रांसपेरेंट गिलास, a white paper, 2 arrows marked in someone in other water. Let's रफ थी, जब हम पानी डालेंगे तब ये रफ में हो जाएगी। शुक्रिया।
Myself, Yaswal, I am from 3 Tulip. If we do science activity, magical coin. This is a coin. This is the empty transparent glass. This is a glass filled with water. The empty transparent glass on the coin, we can see the top of the coin and the side of the coin. We can see that we can add water into the empty transparent glass, and the empty transparent glass, top of the empty transparent glass, we can see coin, but the side of the glass we cannot see the coin. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Aprajita Singh from class 3 Tulip. Today I am going to present you science activity, magical coin. This is a coin, this is a transparent glass, and this is a glass. I put glass on the coin. Now the coin is visible. I put water in the glass. Now the coin is not visible. This is my experiment. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Harshvardhan of class 30 unit. Today I am going to do leak-proof bag experiment. Take a Ziploc plastic bag and fill this bag 3/4 with water. Now pour one sharpened pencil through this bag so that it comes out from the other side. Poke another sharpened pencil through this bag. See, the water does not. एक second. Spill out of the bag. The reason behind this is that the molecules of the bag surrounds the pencil and seal the bag tightly so that not a single drop of water spills from the bag. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am Bhumika from class 3 Tulip. Today we will make an experiment about flip the image. As you can see, we draw two arrows of two arrows direction in left side, and we take an empty glass. Second is full of water. Then we put water in empty glass. The arrow's direction will change in right side. As you can see, the direction of arrows in right side. Thank you. Good evening to all. My name is Vanika Bansali from class 3 12. Let's start science activity. Flip the image. To perform this experiment, I have used a transparent glass and another glass has
water inside it and a sheet which has 2 arrows and on it. When the glass is empty, we can see the arrows show this way, and after put water in transparent glass, of arrows are changed and it becomes two opposite sides. Fill the image. Experiment is complete now.
Good morning, ma'am. My experiment is air pressure.